In this video, I'm going to show you how to export photos from Darktable. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open up your Darktable, you want to select the images that you actually want to export. So click on Light Table up top and go ahead and select the images. Now, you could either click on a specific image like this, and as you can see, it's now selected. You could hold down your Control key and click on specific images to select. Or if you want like a sequence, for example, all of these, you can simply click on the first image, hold down your Shift key, click on the last image, and there we go. It's going to select them all. Now, whenever you've done that, you want to go to the right hand side here where you can see the export button, and you simply want to click on the export button. This is going to give you storage options. So here you can basically select where you actually want to export these files to. So I'm going to click on this button over here, which is like a folder, and I'm going to select my downloads folder. Of course, you can select whatever you want, and I'm going to click on select as output destination. Now, whenever you do that, here you also have different format options. So you could go ahead and of course change the quality. You could change the file format. So we have JPEG, you have different like PNGs, you have like a bunch of different things. Just select the one you want. I'm going to leave this as JPEG 8-bit, and then of course you have the quality, you have the chroma subsampling, you could do auto or of course select the one from the list, and then you have other global options like set size or in pixels. You could allow upscaling and high quality resampling, stuff like that. And whenever you're actually ready to go ahead and export, you can just click on start export over here. It's going to start exporting, and as you can see, 4 of them are now going to be done, 5 of them are done. There we go. And if I were to now go to my downloads folder, I'd be able to find my images in there. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.